Hello, what's up? This is going to be a short video. That is a quick update on a small piece of willow cutting that I've been growing in water in almost complete darkness. I mean with no any direct sunlight and only a small amount of indirect atmospheric light for about a month or so. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, the leaves did develop normally, but they are unusually pale in color. If it was grown under the sun, then the leaves would have been darker. And this is also a contorted form of willow. That means the branches are twisted naturally, and when it's grown in the dark, it seems to be a bit less twisted. And let's look at the roots now. Okay, the roots did grew, and the speed that they grew is relatively normal. But they are quite underdeveloped. They tend to branch out less, and they are also relatively pale in color. If the cutting was grown under the sun, and the roots would have been darker in red in color, and the tips of the roots would have been less burnt and more, how do you say that, more developed in general. Now I'll give you a little look. The tips of the roots looks like they were burnt. Yeah, okay, that's all today.